In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom video filters. Video filters can add a subtle color tone, fun overlays, or a touch of polish to your camera feed, and they're easy to turn on right from the meeting window. To begin, open Zoom and look at the video controls along the bottom toolbar. Next to the Start or Stop Video button, there's a small arrow. Click that arrow to open your Video Options menu. This menu is your quick hub for everything camera-related, including switching cameras, picking virtual backgrounds, and most importantly for today, getting to your filters. From this menu, click Choose Video Filter. Zoom will open a settings panel with a live preview of your camera on the right and a collection of filter thumbnails on the left. Depending on your version, this may appear under Backgrounds and Filters or Effects. The idea is the same. You're now in the place where filters live, and you can see how each one looks before you use it in a meeting. Now, choose a filter. Browse through the options and click the one you like. The change applies instantly to your preview and to your live video, so you can see exactly how it appears to others. If you're going for a professional look, try subtle choices like warm or cool tints that even out your image without being distracting. If you want a playful vibe, explore frames and themed styles. If a filter feels too strong, switch to a lighter option or return to a neutral look. A few tips will help you get the best results. Good. Even lighting makes every filter look better, so face a window or use a soft light if you can. Keep your camera lens clean for a sharper image. If text on your screen appears reversed, check the mirror option in your video settings so visuals display as intended to others. And if performance seems choppy on an older device, choose simpler filters to reduce the load. If you don't see filters at all, they may be turned off by your organization, or you might need the latest desktop app. In that case, check your Zoom settings outside the meeting or update the app when convenient. That's it. Click the arrow beside the video button, choose Video Filter, and pick the look that matches your tone for the day. With just a few clicks, you can look more polished, add personality, and keep your video presence consistent across meetings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy experimenting with your Zoom video filters.